Look at that. Wow. Wow. Look. Look. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day. Vacation is on, baby. Vacation is on. We are all packed and in the car and heading to stop number 2. I know I'm gonna lose count at some point. But everybody's here. Babe driving, Tyler is around the back, he's a bit chilly, Sarah is there, and where are we heading, you're wondering. So baby's gonna tell us where we're heading because Tyler just asked. You have no idea, so baby's gonna explain to Tyler where we're going and you guys just listening at the same time.
Hi Tyler, so today is Sunday and we are going to Paris, but I tell you we're not gonna reach Paris today, right? So we're going to make some stops before to reach Paris. So today we will go to 2 cities. The final city will be Le Puy-en-Velay, okay? So this is where we're going, Le Puy-en-Velay.
So we're going to Le Puy-en-Velay now.
At the end of the day.
Okay.
So we're just gonna make a stop on our way to a city called Auterive. So now we are heading to Auterive. We're gonna make a stop there, stay a little bit there, and then we will take the direction of Le Puy-en-Velay.
Okay. Explain to Tyler what is in Auterive that we want to see.
So in Auterive, there is a palace that we're going to see. Okay, Tyler? The palace, this is a mailman that built the palace by his hand.
Wow, you heard that, Ty?
For 30 years of his life, every time after work, he was building the palace with whatever he found.
Wow.
So we're gonna see his palace. Remember, the palace was like 200 or 300 years ago.
Wow. You hear that, Ty? Yes, what do you want?
So now we're going to see the palace, what it looks like. We're gonna visit the palace, and then later we will go to Le Puy-en-Velay, and this is a pretty city that we're gonna stay for the night, okay?
And then tomorrow we'll tell you where we're heading again, okay? So it's gonna be a good day, right? Alright, so you can sleep if you want until we reach to this first stop.
We have about 1 hour and 50 minutes before we reach, okay?
Alright, you guys, so there you have it of where is gonna be our first stop on the journey. And I'm excited to see this palace over 200 years. Wow. And based off the photos that I've seen, it's absolutely beautiful, and to know the history behind it, that he built it by himself as a mailman every evening after work, that's just incredible. So let's go enjoy today and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and let's go have a good vacation, shall we? We've reached our first destination, but we're trying to find this place. bought her tickets. I'm trying to get there for 11. It's 5 minutes before 11. Reservation obligatoire mean we have to purchase our ticket before we get here. Wow, the line looked long. I guess you have to ask somebody even if you reserve. What do you do? Okay, so we're in the line right now. The place is called Palais Idéal de Facteur Cheval.
Facteur Cheval is his name.
I'm not sure that's his name, Ty.
The palace of the Facteur Cheval.
Okay, maybe you're right. Ask Papa. And of course, Princess is here. Sunshine. So up on enter, we have these musicians along the wall. Different musicians, maybe French people, maybe not. Give you guys an idea, maybe this is what we're gonna see inside, but we'll discover inside what's inside. All right, you guys, we are at the palace. Wow, the man built this on his own.
So she did have no more tickets for now.
So we are the last set of people coming in?
Well, everybody that had the ticket already, but they don't send them.
Wow. You guys, check this out. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this beauty. Let me see if I can give you guys a good view. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Excusez-moi. Pardon. So we are going inside. Wow. So I tried to get a little drone footage right just now. So this is where the person built the postman. It's his palace, over 200 years. Look. Wow. In here is a bit dark, so you guys can't really see properly, but hopefully you guys can see as much as possible. Pardon, excusez-moi, merci. Pardon, excusez-moi, merci. You guys, so this man that builds here, he was 42 years old. He took 32 years of his life to build this entire thing that is here. He built it on his own with his own hands, with no help, and he did it with each evening when he get back home from work. Actually, it was a dream that he had, and he forget about the dream and then remembered the dream one day. As he stumbled, he hit his foot on a stone and remembered the dream, and he started building here right away. So that's what this is all about. And then after he finished building this at I think 72 years old, he went to the city cemetery and built a small monument, something like this, where he wanted to be buried in. So he was buried there after he died at 88 years old. So that's where we are right now, and I'll give you guys a better view of what it is. Hopefully I'll get enough drone shot, but I almost get in trouble for the drone because though this city is an okay fly zone, it was forbidden to fly at this spot where I am in this space, because I think the people that's around, and of course I'm gonna cut out the people, but it's forbidden to fly here. So yeah, like the security was explained to me, it's not about flying and videoing the monument, but it's for the safety of the people. But Tyler, which way am I?
It's made with shell.
Seashell. So he stick the seashell on them. How many seashells did he use to stick these? There are many. All along, all the way out. Babe, phone light is helping a bit, so you guys can see. It's a little bit dark. Are you telling Tyler the history? You're telling Tyler the history?
Tyler, hold on. You find it? It's a good job.
Oh, he's looking for the animals on his
So this
thing.
one?
Tyler is finding the animals on a paper. You find it, Ty? And there's a man right here. Oh, look at the chandelier. Hello.
Things like
What does that mean?
and does the dream. A
Oh,
lot of things about God.
no. They say right a lot of things about God and dreaming here. It's absolutely beautiful. We are going up, going up, going up. Wow, well, this is another floor, first floor.
Outside part.
This is the first floor.
C'est ce que j'ai cherché. C'est ce que j'ai cherché.
There's like a little fire thing at the top. Sarah touring. Go, princess. So there are hidden things along the way that Tyler is finding on his.
Go down, Tyler.
Look at that. So pretty. I'm happy everybody's turning their back this way. So pretty. Alright, so these little other temples are within the walls of this temple. So this one says a temple Hindu that is here. This one, it says a Swiss castle. This one right here. Let's see, this one says la Maison Blanche. It says it's the White House. This one, White House USA. This one says Maison Carré d'Angers. I don't know the translation for that one. And then this one says Chateau au Moyen Âge. That's right there. Look at that beauty. Look, look, look. This sunflower field is so beautiful. We are driving past and I had to stop. Look at that. So pretty. palace that we were,
Actually,
as Tyler said, and on to our second stop. However, we stopped on our way to have lunch at McDonald's.
hi.
Hi, what are you eating? What are you eating? Say fries. Say chicken. Say chicken. Hot, hot. Big time. Look at her. And Tyler is there having his lunch. Babe. Hi, baby. Having a good day?
Yeah.
But having a good day. Oh, happy Emancipation Day, JA. And what a day to have Emancipation Day when the 3 ladies got their medals today. Anyway, we're gonna grab, relax a bit, and then jump back into the car and head to our second spot for today. Vacation is going well, more than well. At the place where we are staying. So since I have so much footage from this vlog, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. So if you enjoyed today's vlog, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and come back tomorrow to see the beginning of another vlog, which is this same day but a whole different adventure. So subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, baby. Bye, say bye.
Bye.
Sarah, say bye. Bye. No? Tata sleepy.